Hi guys, welcome again. I will show how I made Bianca's hair. So I used cold ceramic. I thought it was better than cold porcelain to use. So to start, I modeled how I wanted her hair. So how her hair was tied, I just made a mold and I watered it to make it more smooth. I started with a cold porcelain knife making the lines of the hair. I didn't care so much if they were too straight on the back because I would put two parts of her hair to make the tied hair that she had. So to make the back part of the hair, I made two balls with the cold ceramic and glued onto the head of the doll. I didn't use the glue, I just put the mass over each other and it dried and was glued. And the same process for the line, I used the knife of the cold porcelain to make the lines of the hair. For the front of her hair that is high, I made kind of a small worm with the mass and start modeling apart from that. And the lines I did the same process with the knife of the cold porcelain. 36 hours of the drying process, I started painting it with acrylic painting, so black acrylic painting. The white part I let the natural color of the mask because I thought it was nice. 'I hope that you like it and don't forget to check how the face of the doll stayed on the other video. Bye!